Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ. Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい. Spin it, flip it, taste it, やめられないでしょ. Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Turn it into something extra aesthetic. Strawberry galaxies, caramel skies. Every single layer's a sweet surprise. Tiny stars are glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know. これは梅でしょ. Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト。夢を焼いてる all night. 願い込めて rise and shine. 全部叶えるデザイン。手を取って離さないで。この味を忘れないで。二人だけの secret place. 甘すぎるこのスペース。Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. もっと強く push, push, push. Sweet chaos level max. 止まらない no relax. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 名前呼んで again, again. One more bite, don't fade away. ずっとここで play my game. また来てね. I'll bake something even sweeter.
Hello, good morning, products, Jordan, Perrito Migo, hello, what a warm welcome, everyone's here today, welcome back to my bakery, I'm starting feeling better. I mean, my nose is still basically, an open sink, but, I think, yeah, the peak is over, I think. The hardest part of the cold, I think, is over. Unless I get worse again for some reason, but yeah, no, I think I'm safe, maybe. I think I should be probably good in a pair of days, maybe 3, but yeah, the worst is gone, so that's it. So, and also today is very sunny and hot, so probably that will help too, right? I would dare say probably way too hot soon. It's still 9 in the morning, but it's probably going to become way hotter later. And later, after the stream ends, I have a online seminar with YouTube. Because they're hosting this seminar for artists. I don't know. I don't have the clue of what I'm going to listen there, probably. But I thought that maybe if I show up, maybe some senpai at YouTube will notice me. And I'm just going there to, show everyone I am a very good girl. And I am attending school, and hopefully YouTube will see this. Oh, look at this girl. She is so good for me. She is a very good girl for me. And maybe YouTube will do something for me, give me a reward. Right? A reward. Yeah, I need a reward. So Jordan, Abikadabi. Abikadabi. Oh, Abikadabi, what a melodic name. 4-year-old's fairy in training. Oh, Sesame Street again. That was the first things you told me when you came to the channel for the very first time was about Sesame Street. Abikadab. Okay. Looks like abracadabra. Made in a cutie way. Abikadabi. Did you saw that? Well, it was on the news. It was on the news. Yeah, it was on the news. I didn't watch the game, but I saw the news. Every fucking news bangumi, we call bangumi, yeah, news program, news show, in television, was saying about Japan versus Brazil. And they were so fucking happy because usually Japan used to lose like 5-1. And they say, well, this time it only lose 2-1. So yeah, almost lose 2-1, you know? Yeah. So, you look, we are getting better. We are not getting destroyed. We are not getting raped anymore. We are just getting sexually assaulted by Brazil. But we are doing slightly better. But anyway, yeah, I think, how do you even fucking beat Brazil? Seriously, that country has a very long tradition of soccer. And they eat bread and soccer. When they wake up in the morning, Brazilians, they eat a sandwich which has a soccer ball into it. It's bread and soccer ball and bread. Period. They eat soccer at breakfast. How do the fact you think you can win Brazil? Maybe, yeah, you can, but seriously, it's I don't know. It's like if you try to beat Japan at, it's like if you try to beat Japan at sumo. You know, sometimes they do. Don't get me wrong. And I think most of the some of the recent sumo champions, they were from Mongolia or something like that. Don't get me wrong. But it's like if you, but the point is that, they have a very old tradition. And it's so, obviously Brazil can lose, don't get me wrong, as Japan do, but it's like the number of people, the number of people that love soccer here in Japan, it is very small compared to the one in Brazil. So, statistically, due to sheer numbers, it's more likely that you have more competent player in a nation that has a higher percentage of the population playing soccer rather than your. So don't get me wrong. Things. Humans are insanely amazing creatures, and they can do miracles. But I'm talking like statistically and from a cultural point of view. So yeah. Yeah, well, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I know, and I know. Ridomigo, I understand, but seriously, point is, it is, I think that, if I had to do a bet, I will put my money on Brazil. Even if how much I love Japan, cause you do bets because you want to win, right? You don't do bets because, you are a fangirl. Right? The concept of betting is you want to bet on the winning team, right? I would have bet, I don't bet, but if I did, I would have bet all my fucking money on Brazil. No, hands down. Just for, yeah, hands down, I mean, without even fucking thinking at it, you know, because, yeah, I mean, for cultural reason, I mean, obviously, I mean, tradition, and I mean, well, the good thing of sport, I mean, no, is that each match is its own universe, and I mean, obviously, I mean, there have been, I mean, I guess, but this is across. We are generalizing, I mean, across any sports. I mean, there can be miracles or specifically. No taque, no taque, no taque. Buenas noches, buenos días. Es mañana, Ají. Ají es mañana. Mi no habla español, so mi habla inglés. So, buenas noches and mañana. Cause it's morning for me. It's morning for me here. No taque. So, all the free-to-play games are gambling. Well. Es día. Oh, yes, es día, Ají. Es mañana, nine de la mañana. Yes, it's morning here. So, well, I mean, free-to-play games are gambling, I guess so. But I mean, for gambling, I mean, I was referring to, I mean, gambling for money, to winning money. I mean, it's, cause I mean, yeah, I mean, we have a very strong gacha tradition in Japan. I mean, we have gacha machines and are loved by kids. I think kids, I mean, are basically skewed, cause I mean, gacha are everywhere. I mean, the real gacha that you put the money, you turn the handle, and I mean, you get the random thing. And it's one of the most things loved by kids, and I love them too, because I mean, the fact that you don't know what you're going to get, the surprise, the machine that does the rumble, the ball that goes down the fucking machine, and then you open the box, I mean, it's a fucking magical experience, right? And then there is the social aspect. There is the social aspect that you trade them, right? Because if you don't get the one that you want, I mean, you go trade them with others. So I mean, I think in a certain, I mean, because if you consider anything that is random gambling, I mean, I think we need a better definition of gambling, because I mean, gambling can be used in a lot of ways. So I mean, I don't agree. I mean, the place is I don't agree. I mean, I get what you meaning, but I was talking of a different gambling, so it was a manner of definition. But I fully understand what you're trying to say there. I mean, I fully. You are more interested in having another song stuck in your head. So why? Well, I guess we could start with a song. I just need to check if Chappie is doing his work. And if Chap is doing this work, I guess we can do another song, right? Let me check. Let me check at Chappie one thing. So, cause I was doing a batch of images with Chappie for the game. But I have realized it. Oh my goodness! I have realized it that Chappie wasn't really making them in the right perspective. Cause I mean, they looks very symmetric. And some of them are. But for instance, when I try to import this asset in the game, I mean, the perspective was off. So let me show you what I mean. And then after that, I mean, we can do make a song. So let me show what I mean. So you see, this is the grid, the real grid. Okay, the real grid in which the game is based off. And so I asked Chappie to do stuff, and he made this. But as you see, it's not the same angle. Cause you see, that's not the same angle. Cause you see, if I do the angle here, it's still isometric. Don't get me wrong, it's still isometric, but the angle is different. I mean, some assets were good, some other weren't. And then I realized that the Shopee was doing all these things basically random. So I am set a new batch. I'll set a new batch and I want to check if the batch is going good, because if the batch is going good, I mean, we can leave these things going, and while we do other stuff. So let me see. Oh, this seems better. Oh, this also seems. I have the impression that this is still wrong for some reason. I have the fucking impression that this thing is still wrong for some reason. Why do I have this impression that it can do the fucking things correctly? Yeah, you see, this is wrong too. I mean, this is fucking wrong too. You see? It can't, it should be, yeah, more or less, it's more or less oriented. Yeah, probably this is still wrong too, right? I mean, this is still wrong too, I mean, that's not good. That's not good either. I don't know how to tell Shopee to do these things correctly. And let me see the other items, cause certain I guess are good. I mean, but this, for instance, the one above is good. Seems to me to be good, at least. At least it seems to me to be good. Maybe. This seems good, right? Maybe. I mean, I don't know. Oh Jesus, I'm lagging very badly. I'm lagging very, very badly. This us. You are ready, Sarkhan's detector, Starkhan detector, Starkhan detector. Welcome back. So you see, this is better. It's still a little bit off. I mean, it's still a little bit off, but this is better, at least. It's better, but it's still a little bit off. You see, there's some fucking small issue here and there. How can I fucking tell? Maybe I need to. Yeah, probably need to deviate the batch from. Yeah, I want it perfect already. Yes, obviously, it has to be perfect already, because otherwise, I mean, I'm generating 720 assets. So, I mean, it's not that we're making just 3, 4. I mean, what is a shit? I will fix them. I mean, no, these are 720. These are 720, so I mean, they have to be good. I mean, this is relatively decent, I guess. That's decent, right? Not really. You see, it's very close, but I mean, well, this could be relatively used. I mean, probably. This needs some serious, probably some distort or some other things. I mean, I guess. Also, the transparency sucks. And how should we deal with this? Cause I want to fix the prompt. So if I fix the prompt, then we can do other things. So let me do this, and then we have all the time to do the stuff we need to do. And let me go to Chappy. And let me stop this, and so listen, I stopped the prompt, and I stopped the batch and the goal, cause we have issues. So in the following message, I'm going to tell you the errors I'm seeing. We plan how to fix them, and then you can continue. You can resume the batch and restart it completely, and making a new folder so that the images are made correctly. Okay, so stay with me. We need to discuss some things, and when you understand, and if you understand how to fix these things, I mean, we are good. Okay, so I will start in the next message. So okay, I need to give some guidances. Chappy, and I need to give some guidances cause this is supposed to be a fucking 720 long asset batch, and these things needs to be fucking perfect, so these things needs to be fucking perfect, so and why am I lagging so much? What's the problem here that is making me lag so much? I don't. I'm very lagging, but I guess this is relatively good. This also, I mean, there is some. There are certain things. I mean, this seems relatively good, right? I mean, for instance, this one is relatively good. I mean, it's not yet good at all, right? I mean, it's quite good. Quite good. I mean, quite good. I mean, we could probably, but I mean, yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's not exactly good. It's not really exactly good. So these things needs a lot of issues. And let me first of all, let's say this. So let one thing. Okay. So first of all is the way you handle transparency. Because I've seen that you have to generate, you have to tell the agent to generate the image using a green chroma key, and then maybe do a deterministic removal of the chroma key. Okay, so the original chroma key should be made with because I'm seeing some agents. I mean, they are not taking the transparency things correctly, and they're sort of generating a squared black and white background. But I mean, but that black and gray background. But that's not how it should be. So they need to generate on a green chroma key. And then maybe by deterministic aspect, they need to remove the from maybe some deterministic procedure, they need to remove the green chroma key and make that as a transparent PNG by the removal of the green chroma key. And this is the first thing. Then the second thing is that I mean, there shouldn't be ground shadows, because I'm seeing certain things are being rendered with ground shadows, but we don't need ground shadows, okay? Okay, we don't need ground shadows, so also ground shadows should not be taken into consideration. And also the third thing is that I still see that the angle of the axis are a little bit off. I mean, I understand that this is made with image generation and it's not pixel perfect, but I'm sure you can enforce a little bit more the angles, the perspective angles, because they are still a little bit off. So try again, restart the batch, make a new folder, and restart from number 1. Then make it a goal as before, and don't stop until everything is done. Then if eventually there will be problems, I will stop manually and we will fix the direction again. But otherwise, I mean, we make a new goal, with a new folder, restarts from the first one, and try to take this correction in consideration. Okay, now let's see if Chap is able to fucking think these things. Hey, good people in the bakery, just passing looking for a beer. You happen to notice one nearby? Well, I haven't seen any beer. I mean, I haven't seen any beer. Probably, I mean, they're afraid of me, the beer. The beer is probably afraid of me, so it's not coming close to me. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. By the way, Adzermo, we were making assets for the game, but Shopee is still making a little bit of confusion. And I still can't really have Shopee make the stuff the way I want them to make. So, because we were building assets for the game, but yeah, probably these things need some serious tweakings and I'm not completely sure we can, I don't know, man. Yeah, cause, nice, but not exactly correct in the way I wanted them to be, cause that's the second time I'm starting the batch, and we were having some issues even before. There are some very nice items, and I think we probably will be able to use some of them. For sure, but yeah. And I was also trying to slam these things into FictionLab, but Jesus, FictionLab? She will cook in the olive oven. Let me read the comments here. Makes sense, you look menacing with those pointy ears. She will cook it in the olive oven. Yeah, you're right. Probably the beer will be cooked in the olive oven. I think yes. That seems quite, yeah, good idea. Oh, I didn't come with such idea myself. Oh, right. The beer in the oven. Right. I think we have the song, right? The beer in the oven. Yeah. We could make a song, right? Cause Products wanted the new banger that he couldn't have forget for ages. So maybe we can make it since Chappie will probably need some times to rethink the whole fucking procedure for the batch. So we do. Yes, we do. Assuming my computer can handle it, cause it's already struggling a lot. Struggling in the worst sense possible. It's very struggling, super struggling, but I guess maybe we can. I don't know. So we can try to make a song, right? We can try to make a song. But I don't want to use Chap because Chappy has... Well, actually, I think we still have time because the usage is 55% in 950. So I have... No, yes, I think Chappy can handle one song even if he's doing a batch. So, let's do this. So, we need to cook a song about a beer. And well, it's oh, hey, excellent music, welcome. We are about to make a song, right? We are about to make a song. And the whole concept of the song is that Luna is saying that she is on a mission to kill a bear. And well, that goes to, the story of the bear is that, Luna was out with her parents in Tokyo, and she was watching a very horrible statue of a bear that was supposed to be contemporary art, but was so horrible that she thought, well, I really dislike this thing. And then she said, well, imagine that we will have to deal with this monstrosity with 50 plus more years, and this thing is in the middle of Tokyo. And then Luna's father, patted her head, ruffling her hair, and told her, well, but is your YouTube channel and your bakery better than the beer, and is it going to survive for 50 years? You need to be you need to be very good at this or the beer will prevail. And then Luna goes into a mission of, and then basically she's bestowed the mission of killing the bear. But the song also should be made about that. The viewers, Luna is spelling beer very badly, and they don't understand if it's beer, buyer, or whatever. And after she explained the story, then and the fact that she's on a mission, there should be some really chaos with how the viewers interpret her beer or whatever. So that's more or less the text, or that's more or less the concept of the song. And the song should be very, very, very chaotic, very chaotic. I would dare say, maybe, yeah, no, like, Ultra Gabber or something like that. Hardcore Ultra Gabber, very, very energetic. Give me some tentative lyrics with style prompt and lyrics with tags and style prompt. Thanks. Okay. Okay, so let's make this. And by the way, Prodox, you are not sure how the game is going to play. But okay, well, the game is going to be an idle management game in which you, let me show you some concept art. It's a very, very old concept art. Oh, we got a new batch. Let me see if we have some images here, because I'm really curious. Oh, we have some images here. Oh, actually, this may be better. Oh, actually, this could be good, you know. Chances are this thing is good. Let me check this before we go. We have some really good chances that this third batch is fucking good. Oh yes, it's way better. It's way better. It's still not fucking pixel perfect, but I think we can work with that, right? Maybe we can work with this, right? Just maybe, and we distort this a little bit, right? Probably, could work, or maybe something like that, right? It's still not exactly perfect, but maybe we can make it work. Anyway, I think there isn't much that I can do to Chappy to make these things perfect. But at least the thing is better, I guess, right? I guess it's slightly better. Oh, you see, this is very bad because the transparency is getting chroma keyed here, and we have some issues. But I guess it's not. You know what? Let's redo this one more time. One moment. We need to fix this. And then we go with the song, cause this is Team Rock. So this is Team Rock. So sorry to stopping you again, but this chroma key is also removal as having its problems. So do one thing, just have the images on a white background, okay? And I will do the transparency pass later, okay? Don't worry. Just have them a completely white background. So all the images are on a white background, and then I will do the fixing later, cause it's probably the best thing. And restart a completely new batch and with a new goal and with spawning agent and so on. So new folder, New batch, just have them in white background and don't worry about transparency, okay? Yes, because that was also creating problems, so we are going to fix them into a different way. So let's go to Suno. Let's go to Suno. Let's go to Suno, okay? And hopefully I won't crash. I mean, let's go to Suno before these things crashes completely. Let's see. I hope we can handle Suno. I really hope we can, cause we're probably not in the best way to. I mean, I'm already lagging, so I don't even want to imagine how painful this will be, but I guess we can try, right? I'm lagging already. I mean, I don't even have Suno open, so maybe I can close Photoshop. I'm not sure how much it will help, but yeah, don't save. I mean, probably Photoshop, not today. I mean, yeah, probably. So let's temporarily close Photoshop, and so at least we can try to look at this. Still lagging. I mean, still lagging very badly. What is consuming all my memory here? I don't have a clue. I mean, I don't have a clue. What is it? Probably, I don't think it is Chappy with his image patch. I mean, probably. I don't know at this point. I mean, Chappy should do the process locally, so I don't understand why it's doing these things here. But anyway, let's put the style here. Let's put the style here and let's go to another page. So hopefully, oh, the door. I have to open the door. Sorry, one moment. Yeah, it's Amazon. It will soon come. So I probably have to go open the door after it came. So Jesus, the lag. Very good stream, right? I mean, dying of lag. I mean, we probably have to deal with this bullshit for a pair of years. Cause I don't. By Dima, welcome to the stream. Sorry, I was opening the door cause I have Amazon coming and I have to go. And I have I have to. Amazon is here, so so just hold on a moment, Dima, okay? And welcome back, Dima. Cause I have to open the door, cause I got Amazon coming and probably is not going to leave me alone for a while, cause I mean he's about to ring the doorbell, so and we're also making a song, Dima. Okay. The beer. Fuck. Look at the lag. Jesus. Look at the lag. Well, I mean, I know I need a new Mac. But point is, I mean, probably it will be in a pair of years from now. And the reason you're just lurking because I need to go to work. Well, I mean, good work then. Good work. I mean, I also have to open to the postman, so I guess it's Thanks, Dima. Thanks. I really appreciate you just come here, even when you don't have much time. It's very nice from you. It's very nice. So I will leave you queuing, listening to the song, but the song is not ready yet because it's generating. So we have to probably I'm left to open the door before the song is here, right? Also, I need to turn the volume on. Maybe. Maybe okay. How long till Amazon is still not coming? Oh, it's here, sorry. Okay, sorry, I'm back. What would it be in that package? Any suggestions? Oh, whoa, you are curious. Well, it's not for me, so. It's not for me, the package. It's for my dad. It's for my dad. I have absolutely no clue, and I'm not even going to open it, so, period. It's there, own. Dad will open it when it will come back home. So, maybe the song, right? Kill the beer? Kill the beer? Okay. Let's listen.
I saw it in Tokyo. Contemporary art in the middle of the city, and I said, Honto muri. I was out when my parents took your lights in my eyes. Then I saw the bear and my soul laughed twice. A statue standing there like a public mistake. 50 more years, chat, give me a break. I said I dislike it, no, I really dislike this thing. In the middle, Tokyo like a cursed offering. Then Papa pats my head, ruffles up my hair, says, Luna, listen closely, you must compare. Is your channel better? Is your bakery rare? Will it last for 50 years or will you lose to the bear? Kill the bear, kill the bear. Before the bear prevails, bake the dream, run the stream, do not let the bear prevail. Kill the bear, kill the bear. This is my Tokyo wall. If the bakery falls, then what was it all for? B-E-A-R, no chance that is bear. B-I-A-R, why did you type buyer? Buyer, who is buying the bear? Hashtag beer. Chat, why is beer there? I explained the mission one time, maybe three. The bear is not an animal, it is contemporary misery. Chat says, kill the buyer. No, wait, kill the beer? Someone types B-A-E-R, Luna disappears. Sutomate nande, how did we get here? I said bear, not beer, not beer. 50 years watching that monster in place while Luna must cook with a smile on her face. My father has spoken, the prophecy is clear. Be better than the statue or bow to the bear. Kill the bear, kill the bear. Before the bear prevails, bake the dream, run the stream, do not let the bear prevail. Kill the bear, kill the bear. This is my Tokyo war. If the bakery falls, then what was it all for? This is not violence. This is art criticism. This is civic endurance. This is long-term channel vision. Yeah, bye. The bear is still there. Yeah, bye. The chat cannot spell. If Luna is not legendary, if the bakery fails, then the bear wins history. The bear prevails. Chat is broken. Luna declares. Kill the bear, kill the bear. Before the bear prevails, bake the dream, run the stream, do not let the bear prevail. Papa was right. I have to be very good at this. Because somewhere in Tokyo, that horrible bear is waiting. Bear prevails.
Well, I sort of understand why people is mad at the iMusic. Not any composer with some salt of their fucking mind would ever make a song like that. Not not a single fucking composer with some brain cells left operating would ever make a song like this. I sort of understand why people is fucking mad at AI music. I mean, well, listen, what is this song? I mean, Kill the fucking bear? Okay. Maybe it's fire. Maybe the thing was on fire will be the bear. I mean, maybe. Or maybe soon in the news, I mean, you will hear Italian girl tries to set on fire a fucking bear statue in the middle of Tokyo. I mean, screaming this shit, this thing is bullshit. I mean, probably one of the things, yeah. But yeah, probably this song shouldn't even fucking exist, I think. But we made it, and it was also fire. So I guess it's good. Like, I mean, it's good, right? Like, I mean, I think probably was sort of good, right? I mean, I guess I liked it. I mean, and Negofi, welcome back to my bakery. Negofi, welcome back to my bakery. We are fighting with Chappie today, as always, cause Chappie is also on a mission to make some fucking images for the game, and he was failing badly. I mean, very badly. I mean, I've never seen Chappie, I mean, fail so much. Like, I mean, he was failing right now, but I mean, it seems like he's still fucking failing. So, well, I mean, not bad. Not bad. I mean, I think we can work with this. We can even probably work with this too. I mean, that's quite decent, I guess. The chair is fucking nice. I mean, the chair works perfectly. I mean, the things also is not. Maybe these things can work. Maybe. What do you think? I mean, I don't know. I prefer the previous one. I mean, this is nice. I mean, this is very nice, right? I mean, that's nice. I mean, there still needs a lot of polishing, and I mean, it really needs. These things really need some serious polishing. So one thing that I was trying to do. One thing that I was trying to do is that there is this fucking stupid thing that is fucking called well, I mean, is one of the new AI. I don't do it. I'd air to interviews. His weird cat friend says Luna was perfect and normal before snapping and burning the beer, and that makes you uncomfortable. Okay, yeah, I won't do it, Sarkas. And by the way, maybe you have some lag because your answer came maybe 5 minutes after I finished talking about the bear. But yeah, be sure that the playing ad of the video is on the far right. Cause you probably, or you took ages in writing this, in that case it's fine, or maybe you're watching the stream with some delay, so try to consider how long it passed before you wrote the message and then it appeared on the chat above my head, and that should give you an idea if you had delay or not. Okay. Oh, okay. So no. Looks like yeah. Try that and see how much delay. I mean, if the delay is just a few seconds, I mean you are fine. I mean, but if it is it might be slow. Yeah, I mean it should be just a pair of seconds. I mean 2-3 seconds you are fine. But if it is longer than that, you probably have some delay. Yeah, I mean, should be, but 2-3 seconds, I mean, are normal. I mean, I guess even with ultra low latency, I mean, having 2-3 seconds, maybe 4, I mean, you know, it's relatively normal. But if it's like 30 seconds, I mean, that's probably something wrong, you know what I mean? So, what I was about to say, so yeah, FictionLab. So, I mean, FictionLab has this fucking thing here that, Let's go to FictionLab. So, cause I was doing some stuff in FictionLab earlier, cause I need to make assets for the game, right? Because I mean, without us, I mean, we need some assets also. And where is FictionLab? So, and I was trying also to make some some working animation for Luna. But I mean these things needs I mean these things also needs a lot of polishing. So but let's see if these things can handle objects better. I mean and I don't know, cause we have to try for objects. I mean also so maybe I can try to feed the prompt I'm using in Chappy inside the object and see if it's going better. So let me open the prompt. I mean I think we have it inside prompts. Then is it Luna from object prompt? Okay. Compact streaming desk. Okay, let's see the difference. We try this prompt here. Let's see how these things handle this. Paste. Yeah, I mean we can try, right? I mean, no, we need this to be big, right? I mean, we need this to be big. 1, 6. These things also cost a lot of credits, by the way. It also cost a lot of credits, and I mean I tried earlier, but the results, I mean, they weren't really nice. I mean, compared to the quality that Chappy does. So the point is, those things in perspective, very good. The perspective is there. Point is the fucking quality, the design and everything sucks. And I can't even try to feed ChatGPT images here because it has a limit on how much bigger it accepts images. And so I mean I'm sort of an impasse because I mean even if I feed the images, I mean it still get, I don't know. Maybe I can try here maybe. Create animate with this, maybe create here. Maybe we can try this. Image to pixel art. Maybe we can try this or XLMS Pro, something like that. Cause I need something that is bigger. Like for instance 512 multiplied 512, right? So maybe we can try the same prompt here. And then we can, so but the reference images, they needs to be small, right? Let's try to pick these things here. Maybe we go here. Maybe we go within this, right? I mean, for instance. Oh, actually no, it is let's see. Let's pick from the latest batch. Okay, so we see the difference. So let's try this. Let's try this. And reference image. Right, I mean. And then we write ref1 here. Will it work? I mean, hopefully. Let's try to see if this is better. I mean, this also increases a lot of generation point, but at least if it makes the fucking things correctly, I mean, we are good. This shouldn't be the first rumor towards bakery stuff. So okay, let me tell you how I plan to do these things. So we can go a little bit into theory. And also that should also answer the product's question that he doesn't understand how the game works. So okay, let me see if I can reopen Photoshop before this thing fucking dies. Or maybe I can just show the image here without opening Photoshop, and maybe that will yeah, probably this is better. Because if I open the image here, probably this won't kill completely the fucking thing, right? Then maybe I can replace the peach, right? I mean the image of the peach, right? Seeing that it better open paint. Yeah, okay, so brother, yeah, I will explain. I will explain how these things work. Maybe, no, maybe it's better if I just, yeah, maybe it's faster. Like, oh, yeah, and show the just one moment. Let me pick the images so it's easy. I have to find the correct ones, but I think the first one is the 17 based on the 70, but maybe I could start from the right. I could start from the yeah, maybe with the concept art. I mean, the concept art has changed a lot from that, but it should give a general idea, okay, of what is going on here. Should just give a really general idea of what's going on here. So, yeah, probably this, right? Okay, so, okay. Let me explain you very simple. So, have you ever played any incremental game? Or do you know how incremental games work, or idle games or management games? I mean, basically, idle management games are games that I mean, I don't want to say they run on their own, but rather than controlling a character, like for instance is an action game. Okay, in action game you control a character, okay? In idle management games, you control sometimes is a shop, sometimes is for instance in the case of Farmville is your farm. Sometimes is just biscuits in the case of Cookie Clicker, but basically you have some resources. Okay, you start with very low resources, and the scope of the game is to increase your resources, and the more resources you unlock, you or the more resources you get, the more features of the games it unlocks. Yeah. Some room management mechanics. Well, so basically, the explaining this very simple. So explain this well in this concept art. The oven was in the top left corner, but I have decided that the oven will be in the middle of the room. Okay, because everything starts from the oven. Okay, everything starts from the oven, and Ransom was asking, well, shouldn't it be bakery based? Well, the point is that the main room should function like a sort of central hub in which you do a lot of things. So there will be a bakery corner, okay, in which it looks like a bakery. There will be a streaming corner. For instance, you see in the concept art we have a streaming desk. We have a place in which we do music. We have a place in which we sell cakes. So it's so because this the central the main room is supposed to be the central hub. Okay, supposed to be the central hub in which you do a lot of tasks. Okay, and the oven is at the middle. Okay, and at the beginning, I'm starting because I'm starting to try to see to vision this. Oh, by the way, let's see one moment. Let's see. I'm curious to see because this thing seems at initial generating. I'm very curious to see how this came up, and it came up very badly. Looks to me it came up very badly. Why did we have these fucking things here around? We don't need these things around. Why we have these fucking things around? It doesn't really make sense. It shouldn't be just the fucking desk. But why is this thing so small? What did we do wrong here in the prompt? I mean, what did we did wrong here to get this image? But it looks nice. It looks in perspective. Or maybe we can fix the shit with these things here. Probably. But it's very small. I want it to be bigger. I don't understand why it's making these things so small. I really don't understand. Let me check this and then I go back to the game. Sorry, cause Because if it's the case, I need to tell Chappie to change the patch one more time, and this thing since it would take a lot of time. But let me see what's the problem. What's the fact? So this is very small, but I guess it can work, and it is in perspective at least. Fun. I mean, I don't understand why make that fucking thing around it. I wanted it bigger, but I guess it's okay. Maybe I want to remake it. I want to try to remake it, right? I want to let's remake it one more time, cause I mean, maybe next time is better. Anyway, so let's go back to the game, and sorry for the interruption. So anyway, so back to all your questions. So at the beginning, so it's like a house with 4-room bakery. No, actually the room are 8. The room are 8, but they won't be a room. I mean, there will be areas, but yeah, more or less. I mean, 2 areas per side of the more or less. Try to think about this. I mean, and the point is exactly. So the room are empty. Exactly. The whole bakery will be mostly empty. Will be mostly empty, and then you have the oven, and then you have to interact with the oven. You have to interact with the oven to start crafting things, and the more things you craft, the more you unlock functions, and so on. Because it's a management game, right? You start very small in this game, no? Like you have just one thing you can do, and then you do that things a few times, and then it unlocks a pair of things. And then you have to choose which one you want to develop, and so it expands from there, and then maybe you have to go back to some previous recipe, because I mean you realize that maybe one recipe down the road requires you to have specialized at something that you didn't even touch, and then you have to go back and level that things up, and so on. So it's a management game. And I mean I'm still very I mean I'm still very torn on which which mechanics I mean should be managed. But the point of the things that I like most of these management games is that they give you choice. So it's basically, so when you play this role playing games in which you can choose which build you want your character to make. And basically management games do the same, but with inventory management and recipes and stuff. So you have you start very small, but then you start to have a lot of things, and you can't really do everything at once, because you're sort of limited by how you invest your resources. So for instance, I make an example that is very similar to Stardew Valley. Okay, so let's say at the beginning you have a plot with four, you can plant only 4 seeds. Okay, but I mean you can plant flowers, you can plant rice, you can plant a lot of things, right? And also these things needs time to grow, right? So basically it's more like own resources management, but then you have to decide, I mean, which crops do I want to invest, what do I want to do these things, synthesizes mechanic. That's why you suggested. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of research I have to do, Razormon. Don't get me wrong. I mean, cause there is a lot of research on these things. So and it's not that as easy as it sounds. I mean, so but I think it's if I start small and maybe I let you try it. I mean, I think we can. We can tango. We can have, I can have feedback from people. So at the beginning, the thing I want to have at the beginning is very simple, right? You start with the oven, and then you interact with the oven, and I mean, but even on this, I mean, I am torn on certain ideas. Because one thing that I sort of like as concept is that do you know how, for instance, mana regenerates in action RPG like Diablo? I mean, no, you have mana regeneration per seconds, and then you cast a spell, and then the mana goes down, right? And then you have to wait for the mana to refill before you can cast the other spell. I mean, you can cast you can cast 3-4 spells in a row. Okay, you can cast 3-4 spells in a row, but then you're out of mana and you have to wait for mana to refill. So, and I was thinking, I mean, the oven to be something like that. I mean, the oven produces heat per second, and it has a capacity. And you can think, try to think of an orb of mana. I mean, it's probably the most easy things to understand. Hey, welcome back, Jordan. Welcome back. So you have the oven produce mana or heat, okay? And then at the beginning the only spell that you can cast is very simple. I mean, it's not a spell, but I mean is like interact with the oven or something very basic. I mean, talk with you, inspect the oven. I mean, eat yourself up. I mean, I don't know, something very stupid and very simple. And then the more you stay close to the oven and you get this basic spell. I mean, then after you master this basic spell, I mean, it unlocks different spells. And the point is that from there you can start to choose, right? Because I mean, each spell or a spell, well, let's call the specialties. I mean, they are linked to a different area of the room. So you can choose. You can choose, for instance, to go into the streaming, or you can go into cakes, or you can go into music, or you can go into a lot of things, and then I mean, you start unlocking the subtree, the subtree of that discipline. Okay, and it creates stuff from that things, right? You start creating stuff, and the thing is that it isn't only about bigger numbers. I mean, well, of course, it's also about making bigger numbers and making bigger stuff, but the point is that to have certain cute items in your room or cute furnitures, I mean, you need to unlock them. And same is for costumes. I mean, I plan Luna, so there will be an outfit session or a clothing session in which you are able to craft costume for Luna. So basically, I mean, all the collectibles, they are behind crafting. Okay, and you need to master these things so you can unlock them. And then I mean, so basically the fun is in managing and making you also your room better. A little bit like Stardew Valley, but I mean, in Stardew Valley, I mean, you move your characters around. Here is more like you do everything mostly by menus, because it's an idle incremental management game, right? So you basically click left, you click right. I mean, and you send the Luna on errands, and I mean all this weird stuff. I mean, you know what I mean? And but you start very small. So I mean, yeah, exactly. And you raise stats, exactly. And you raise stats. So exactly, that's the point. So I mean, I want to make some basic sprites, and I mean the fact that, of course, I do not need 720 fucking sprites at the moment. Obviously not, but the point is that I thought, I mean, I make a huge batch, I let the batch going, and then I pick maybe a few items that looks the most cute of all the one I made, and then I start with them. So that's why I'm making this very huge batch of items, because I mean, I have a lot of ideas, but I mean, I want to, because I mean, I'm sure that if I see things, I mean, it gives me better ideas. You know what I mean? Because I start imagining how the room looks like and other stuff. So I'm making this very huge batch of things. So look at this. You see, this we have problems here. So this thing still has this fucking thing around, but it's nice. You see, this is relatively nice. So let me see if I bring this to 520, 124. Oh, I can even make it bigger. Okay, that's nice. And if I do 250, because I think that the problem with this image, apart the fucking white thing around that I don't understand what this thing is, or maybe if I give it transparent, how will that be? I mean, I need to master these things here, because it's very important. Let's do some tests with this stuff here. So let's reopen Photoshop here. Let's reopen Photoshop. And let's reopen Photoshop. Hopefully my computer will not die. Hopefully. But if I can fix this, I mean we're good. So I want to open this thing. And I also want to open let me open the things that these things make just right now. Because I am the feeling is very small. At least in the current version, so. Oh, actually it's not so small. Actually it's not so small at all. And you see it is relatively pixel perfect. Oh, look at this. That's relatively pixel perfect. So, how do I get rid of all this crap here? Can I get rid of this garbage around? Probably yes, I guess. Let's use the magic wand. Maybe I can remove the background here, right? Very good. Okay, I still have to fix here some stuff, but I guess it's nice. And let me see. Oh, you see, this is relatively. Oh no, this still keeps the fucking thing that Shappy did. But it's actually nice. Better. Is this better? Or should I go directly with Shappy? I mean, it still seems to me that it's still off from the grid. Probably because it's using Shappy images reference as base, and it's still a little bit off. It is still a little bit off. So we need to do some tests here. We really need to do some tests here. A lot of tests. Remove some with the blue critter in the bottom right corner is the cutest. Yeah, I mean we need to do a lot of things here, but and probably also recover the blue critter. But let me see if I can fix this thing. So what if instead of the picture, what if instead of this I just give the prompt without this? How is this going to become without it? I mean without these things. I just give the prompt. Each of these things costs 40 generation, and I have 10,000 in 1 month. 10,000 points. So, I mean, 10 object is 400, 100 object is 4,000. And we are doing a lot of tests. So, yeah, probably it could maybe be sufficient for the first batch of object, assuming we can make these things work, right? I mean, why it's not making anything here? It's not crafting, I mean. Can you fucking craft here? Oh, it's finally crafting, okay. The desk looks nice and simple compared to yours. Yeah, I mean, we need some good things. So the point is, I really love how Chappy do the things. But the fact is the perspective is off. And now I'm trying to see if I can cheat my way or make my life simple if I can fix the perspective somehow. Cause it is quite annoying at the moment, the fact that I still have. Oh, let me see the other one in the meanwhile. I mean, let me check this. I mean, Let me download this and see if this was better. Maybe this was better. Maybe this didn't have any problem, right? I mean, maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? So, let's try this. And as we did before, let's remove background. Is this better? Jesus, the lag. I'm lagging very badly. Someone help me. No, this also here you see is not on the grid either. It's not on the grid either, so it's really like it's taking the choppy things, and it is sort of, how can I say, sort of building on top of it. So that's not exactly the way to fix it. Cause I mean just running through. Yeah, exactly. These things needs to fit the grid perfectly. Exactly this. Yeah, that's the point exactly. That's exactly the point. So let's see the new generation without the base image. How it's going. I mean, probably will have a very bad look. Because I mean, the fact that Chappie is making a very good images because he can access to all the documents inside the repository and you know exactly what style piece of Luna. Hey James, welcome back to my bakery. I'm still have some cold, but I'm getting better. Probably I think I will be fully recovered in 2-3 days, assuming things are I mean probably maybe, but yeah, I'm feeling better. And how are you, James? I hope you're doing good too, right? I really hope so. So yeah. These objects need to be, they really need to be on the grid and on spot. So the point is, how do we fix? So you see, it made a new one, and I mean that's nice, I guess. Is this thing's nice? Relatively. I mean that's actually not so bad, I guess. That's not very bad, I guess. Maybe. Let's save this and let's. I mean, I still prefer the previous one, obviously. I mean, I really prefer the previous one, obviously, but I really prefer a lot the previous one. But I mean, we have to see, cause otherwise, I mean, and let's remove the fucking background here. I should probably need to remove the also let me do this. So I want to remove the. I really need to remove the proofs and probably I would use a magic wand. Probably something like that, right? I'm just found very dirty cleaning, but should the job for right? It's very dirty, but probably we won't. We just need to check the perspective or something like that. So this you see this is relatively perfect. You see this is perfectly on the grid. This things is absolutely on the grid, right? You see this is very good, but I mean the style. The style is sort of I don't know. I don't really like it. I don't really. Hey, Oryx! Oryx, welcome back. Long time no see, Oryx. Long time no see. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm making a game, Oryx. I'm making a game. So I am making a game. Oh, oops! I did a mistake here. Okay, good. So I'm making a game and I'm cooking. You like to make games too? Oh, very good, very good. Maybe we can work together. Maybe we can work together and do stuff together. Cause I'm really deep into. I'm working. Let me show the concept of what I'm doing at the moment. So let me. So you have a clue. I am working on a management game. Oops. Like I mean, this is some concept art. This is some concept art. I mean, it's supposed to be, yeah, I mean, like the classic management games, idle games in which you have a shop or something like that, and then you grow your shop, and something like that. I mean, similar to that. An hybrid between this and Cookie Clicker. I mean, mostly menu based. You don't control your characters. You navigate through menu and you manage stuff. I mean, that's some very basic concept art of the thing. So that's it. And I was working now on a batch of images to try to see if this was possible to make some decent looking art for the game. So, oh, you like the clicker management genre? Oh, we are set now. We are golden, Aurix. I mean, we are golden. I may have you overwork without pay you. Do you like the idea? I mean, seems very good to me. I mean, I can make you. I mean, overworked a lot on this for the glory. I mean, seems like, I mean, what any reasonable people should do, right? I mean, jokes aside, but I mean, yeah, I mean, I'm working on this and I will open source it. I mean, I plan to open source it. So I mean, if you're interested, I mean, I accept any help. I mean, seriously, because there's a lot to do, but yeah, I mean, if you like games, yeah, why not? Yeah, maybe you want to do yours probably rather than mine. I mean, it's very easy to make your own game now. I mean, with AI and everything. I'm using Godot. No. At the moment, this is web based. This is web based, so it would probably be HTML plus JavaScript. And if it reaches some limitations, then probably I'm going to Godot or something like that. But at the moment it is supposed to work with JavaScript. I mean, you can do some insanely good things nowadays. HTML and JavaScript. I mean, they make even 3D games in JavaScript now. It's incredibly powerful. Yeah. JavaScript web game. Yes, exactly. I mean, they make something very insanely good nowadays. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. You can do some crazy stuff. Exactly. And the good thing is that, I mean, yeah, the AIs can work very well with JavaScript and these things. So I mean, they do mostly the coding. They do all the coding for you, and they just shape the direction. In fact, this is what I'm doing. I mean, I'm vibe coding by fucking way to making a game. So yeah, that's it. That's it. So I'm vibe coding it basically. I mean, so. And yeah, yeah, the AI is good with Godot too. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, AI is good with Godot too. Yeah, exactly. But the point is, I mean, if I see that web would have limitation, what I want to do, I will probably go to Godot eventually. But at the moment, yeah. So I guess that, I mean, since you're so experienced, I guess you're working with AI too and try to make your own stuff too, right? Let me know more. Cause I mean, I'm very interested. And also, I mean, if you really have some knowledge, maybe I should invite you to a small Discord in which there are some other artists, people that uses AI. And you make games on website and stuff. Oh, perfect. I mean, why don't you join this very small Discord? I mean, we are a bunch of amateurs, and probably you are way more advanced than us, but add me on Discord, and then I will send you the invitation. Maybe so we can chat offline too. You just add me at the, uh, yeah. Yeah, that's my Discord account. You add me, and I will send you the invitation. Uh, Discord that and go. So yeah, very good, very good. And by the way, do you do this for a living? So I guess you make money, right, with that, or you do it for pleasure? At the moment, this is my very first game, and I know absolutely nothing about game. Yep. About how to make a game. I've played a lot of games, so I think I know at least something about games, but about how to make a game, it's my very first one. So, I will surely use a steady hand to guide me, as my chatbot will say. Yes, a steady hand to guide me. I will surely use one for sure. So, but at the same time, I don't want to bother you too much, because if that's your job, you probably are super full of people or continuously asking stuff. So I, I, but I do not plan to bother you a lot, because that would be not fair. You do but you haven't made modding with games yet. The other things you do for work. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Yeah. So and maybe yeah, sure. Oh, but you haven't released games yet, lol. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. You haven't released any yet. Okay, so you mostly work with website, and you make money with website, I guess. Okay, I see. And you haven't released the game yet. Okay, so that's interesting. And how long have you been trying to make a game, and why you haven't released it yet? Because that's probably interesting, right? Because I can tell you, I started making this 2 weeks ago. Almost. You made many. You guess many years. Oh, okay. You made. Oh, okay. But you haven't released yours. Not to make money. Oh, okay. I see. So you made a lot of them, but you not to make money. Okay. I see. And can we play some of these? If some of these, I want to chat them. Can we see them? Send the fucking link. I'm not even sure you can post link here, because you will get probably blocked. But if you send me the link by Discord, I can then show it on screen, on stream. So if you add me on Discord, and then you send me the link on Discord, I can show them on stream. Because I think if you write on YouTube will automatically block any links. But that's not on me. That's on fucking YouTube, that has very strict things. So I'm very very curious. Because I'm basically trying to do the same. So, and if I make games, I'm very curious to see them. A lot. You can pass the catch to verify you're human. Jesus. Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. I can't pass the captcha to verify you're human. That was a really good one. Oh my goodness, look at this. What level of captcha we are now? Not even humans can task captchas. Maybe one day they will do the captcha picture, and you can solve this. Well, but how can you send me the captcha picture if you can't solve the captcha? And because you can't log in if you solve the captcha picture, yes. So you see, you are stuck in a loop. You want to send me the picture, but you can't, because you need to solve the captcha before you can send the picture. You are stuck in a loop forever, like the episode of Doctor Who in which she's stuck into the clock. That was hard. Game developer fails at captcha. Look at this. So hard. Last boss, the captcha. We should do the last boss of the game is the captcha. Seems like we already have something to work on. A huge fucking captcha. Yeah, why not? Seems like interesting stuff to me. It seems like interesting stuff to me. But anyway, okay, so you added me. Let me accept so you can send me the link, and then I can show this stuff on screen. Okay. Pending. Okay. Aurix, accept. Very good. Accept. I will also send you the link to this small Discord server with other artists. And also, yeah, send me also the link of your games so we can check them. We can check them. Oh, try to solve the rotating shape. Oh my goodness! Look at this! Look at this captcha here. Let me save this. Oh my goodness! That's some serious captcha there. That's some serious captcha there. You know, I mean. Let me show this on screen. I mean, that's some serious things that I mean, art level for sure. I mean, very art, very art. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Well. That's quite a captcha there for sure. That's quite a captcha. Anyway, now that we're friends, send me the link of the games you made. I want to check them on stream, and maybe I also advertise you. We need Asi to solve. You need 2 doctorates. You need 2 doctorates to solve the captcha. Yeah, probably at least 2 doctorates are required to solve the captcha. Oh, you don't have the links to them, they're only on your hard drive. Okay, I see. Well, anyway, what kind of games did you make? I mean, like, shooters. This is easy, that's easy, sing more arson with Chinese kanji. Jesus, you know Pong? Oh, you made that with guns. Oh, yeah, who doesn't know Pong, right? Pong is the first video game ever. I mean, if you don't know Pong, I mean, you have no rights to play games, I guess. Yes. Obviously, I know Pong. I mean, any person that loves gaming has heard of Pong. Pong is like Mother Earth. It gave birth to all games ever, right? I mean, was the first video game ever, so it's like Mother Earth. But managed cooking looks fun too, lol. Yeah, exactly. This is going to be a management idle incremental games with 2D isometric pixel art. So I mean, it's still into 2D genre. I mean, we're not getting away from that. It's still into the 2D genre sort of thingy. But yeah, so yes. That's that's it more or less. Yeah. So still something like that, right? Anyway, so you have to do code for work now, but I guess the coding I meant to make the game. Oh well, thank you very much. Probably I mean after I put something on GitHub. Yeah, could be useful. Yeah. Yeah, some user drive, I mean, it doesn't publish it there. But anyway, yeah, we'll not be able to see them. But I mean, we also have a lot of stuff to do here. So the point is, we can go back on what we were discussing earlier. So we have basically 2 choices now. I mean, we could use FictionLab stuff, which I mean is in perspective but sort of stacks stylistically, or we can fucking find a way to fix the perspective on our assets. But that's going to be quite a fucking job itself. I mean, I tried to send that stuff into FictionLab, but for some reason it didn't work how I was expecting it to. Because, I mean, I do not understand why he's not putting these things into perspective. Also, we have something with objects here, right? I mean, we also made one. Oh, look at this. You see, it made another thing, but this is, I don't know, not really. Not really the style here either. I mean, that's also not the style I want. I mean, that's not the style I want. So how are we supposed to fix this? How are we really supposed to fix this? So, because I mean, if I go to create, and even if I put 8 directions, and I mean, I still need a reference image, right? I still need a reference image. Yeah, this is for object gallery, so can I put some fire? Yeah, I can upload it. So let's see if we can try. I mean, let's see if I give you this, for instance. So, because this needs to be 256 by 256. So this is also not working, because if we switch them to 256, 256, I mean, it will make very, very small things. It seems like we're sort of stuck somewhere. Let's try to make one of these 256 pixel and screw it and see what then yeah. Otherwise, I mean, we really need to find a way to make this ourselves. I mean, and deal with that. So let's go here. Okay, that's probably the latest patch. So let's see, by the way, what Chappie has done while we were waiting. Oh no, that's not the latest patch. Is this the latest patch? 9 and 35? Yeah, looks like it's the latest patch. Yeah, that's probably the latest patch, so... That's the latest patch, so... Oh well, some of these things looks really nice. Some of this probably needs a lot of work, but yeah, some of this looks really nice. I mean, we really need to have these things in perspective. Maybe we should use how is called it Pix Asperite? Maybe Asperite is the solution, right? Maybe Asperite is the solution. Let me see if Asperite maybe we have to ask Gemini or something like that on how to fix stuff with Asperite. So let's try this. Let's try for a web search now. And let's go to Gemini. Oh, maybe just Google here and I need to know a way to fix perspective into isometric things with Asperite. Is there a way to easily fix perspective using Asperite? Let's see if Gemini can do something really easy here. Asperite doesn't have a native tool specifically to convert into isometric, so when you use Asperite grid settings. Skew transformation tool. Oh, the skew transformation tool. Oh, okay. Oh, the skew transformation tool. Should we? Oh, Dima, no, you didn't miss anything. We are just testing out stuff. Let's try the skew tool. I mean, I don't even know. I never used that, but we can try this, right? We can try the skew tool. Maybe could work. I don't even know what this thing does, but let's see if Asperite can fix our issues here. So this is Asperite. I mean, I really never used these things before, so I mean, I have absolutely no clue in what I'm going to put myself into, but let's go here into codex repository, assets, private generated 2026 June 30. And that's the latest patch. Then probably let's try to see if we can fix this. Right? Open. And then there is the skew tool. Okay, that's quite big. I think I need to zoom a little bit out. Probably something like that. Win 2. Very good. Perfect. And there should be a skew tool, right? I mean, what is the skew tool? Show fucking pixel. Perfect. Whatever. So, skew tool. Yeah, we need to try. I mean, what is the skew tool? Layer, convert, select view. What is the skew? Let's try skew. Skew? What is the skew tool? Let's see. Let's go back to Gemini. The skew transformation made the marquee tool. Control T and then skew. Okay. So I need to show the grid first, right? Control G grid setting. Jesus, this is complicated. So no, this I need the grid setting. Windows view grid settings. Grid settings. Okay, very good. Very good. That's just okay, I guess so. We have a grid, but that's normal grid. I need a fucking isometric grid. Layer transform, and then you see the. Oh, probably I should. Okay, better idea. I remove the background first, and then we try to transform this. I mean, how should the one see it like myself too? Oh, see you, Resumo, see you, and thanks for coming. Yeah, we have to fix these things, absolutely. Sprite, what is that? You have to transform this. So, okay, transform it, okay, good. And then, how do we skew this? Fast rotation, rotate sprite. Can we rotate the sprite in because this is fast transformation, I see it. This is okay, we don't really need this. Corner radius, interesting. But this is fader, sphere, okay. Transparent color, rotation pivot. Oh, rotation pivot. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, we can okay, but we can't display pivot by default. Okay, we can move the pivot. Can we move the pivot? Oh, we can move the pivot. Oh, that's nice. Because if we can move the pivot here, oh, we can probably rotate it a little bit so that it's like this. That could work, for instance, probably. Maybe. That would be better, right? And what is the skew? Okay. Do we have a skew? What is the skew? Okay, this needs some studying, but I think we can do this, right? View, grid, tiled mode. Okay, now. Let's hide the grid. How do you hide the grid? Okay, doesn't matter. We will eventually find everything. So, let's close this. Don't save. And let's see if we can fucking fix this. So we open this again, but this time with Photoshop. We open this with Photoshop and we remove first of all the background, right? We open this with Photoshop, we remove the background. To completely remove the background, yes please. You also should have removed this here, but I guess it's okay. I guess it's okay, right? I mean, we will fix this eventually. Remove this. We probably need a magic board here to remove this part here. right? Very. Actually, this should probably be a little bit easy, right? So it's better. We remove the selection. Okay. No. Okay. Where is the magic or thing? Oh, probably at the bottom. Oh, the top. Very hard to see where is the click of magic. It should be in the middle of this thing, but why is clicking outside? Ah, very annoying. Very, very annoying. Very. Oh, but the tolerance is 256. Oh, that's why. We said 32. Okay. That's why. Perfect. So we remove this. And let's save this temporarily. As same as. And I also want the grid behind, right? Want to see a grid behind. Let's save temporary to download. And yeah, it is just a test type. And then, um, back to Gemini. Grid setting. Oh, good, right, cause isometric screw. Oh, very good. Very good. There is an isometric skew. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Let's see. So we can go back to Sprite. Then go back to Sprite. We can try to open this. I'm very curious to see if we can fix this other mods. Let's pick the ratio. There is a. Okay, very good. Maybe a big test. Like maybe 25 is fine. So how do we fucking fix this? So we have the transform, right? We can put this here, so it rotates here a little bit. We make it rotate a little bit, right? So it's better. And then what's next? I mean, we skew this. How does this fix? What is the skew here? Oh, we have the new things here. How do we skew this? Okay. Okay, so I have to over the edge skew this. No, but this is just remove this. So what if I do this? So this just moves this. Okay. This flattens the image. Okay, which also could be something to write. I really wanted to preserve that. But I need to see the grid below, right? I mean, because that would be probably the best things. Can I put a layer below this? Let me see if I can put a layer. So I can see the grid. If I can see the grid below, I mean, that's very good, right? That should do this. So we go here. So, yay. And then into sprites, and then into grid. And then any grid will do this. And can I put the grid there? That would be very nice, right? I mean, if it this. What are the layers? Layers? Do we have layers? Let me check. Do we have layers? Add layer. Oh, okay. Add layer. So add the layer. Okay, so we need to add the layer. Okay. Layer. New layer. Okay, very good. Oh, the layers are here perfectly. So we bring the new layer down, right? How do you move the layer up and down? I don't. Where is this option? Yes, so very annoying waiting to see this layer. So maybe I can copy this. Maybe I can copy this and I can make maybe a new layer here, right? That sounds better, right? We make a new layer. Layer. New layer. And then we paste this here, right? Okay. Is this thing's going to work? I don't know. We will see. So this is the base thing, right? So we can try to to rotate these things again. Right, till these things is fucking perfect. Or then skew it a little bit. Okay, I see. Okay, well this is still not super perfect then. That's just rotated and not translated transfer. So, very annoying. Very, very annoying. What do you have the skew function? The horizontal transform. Oh, here we are. So that's the transform. But that's only this field, right? So we're not actually exactly, really modifying this by a lot. This is we still have issues here. Still have issues. Is this even better? At this moment, I don't know anymore. At this, right? That's supposed to be probably two fucking things, right? So, like that one is I mean, probably could work, I guess. Really needs a lot of tweakings, right? These things doesn't really seem to work exactly the way I want. Complicated. So we can't really automatically change these things with Asperite. So what are we going to do then? Not even Asperite can fix this directly and automatically. So, what are we going to do now then? It's especially if you zoom in. This starts to become real garbage here. Look at this very, very badly, very, very bad, very, very bad garbage messy pixels. At 100%. Well, it's not so bad. It's not so bad, I guess. It's still a little bit off. It's a little bit off. So what if we open a new file? Let me revert file. Can you revert this? No. So we close this and don't save this and we delete the layer. Can we delete the layer? Duplicate mesh flatten. How do you delete the layer? Don't even have a delete option. Delete. Perfect. Perfect. Done. And then we open and is here. We try again. Into downloads. Oops, I opened the captcha. Lol, I opened the captcha. Okay. Very, 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 very. As soon as we find a way to fix these images, we are golden, right? We are golden, I guess. Because if we ever find a solution to the problem, we are very good, right? We are very good. So is rotation a good option here? Because that's the first question. Because we could probably rotate it here. So just it is a little bit more interesting. Oh, look at this. Deny. Look at this. So it is a little bit more like this. I mean, just by rotating, I mean, it's already better. Just by rotating it a little bit, it's already better. So maybe we commit the change this way. We delete the background. Oops, what are we going here? Now remove the selection. We fully delete the background. Yeah? And then let me check this as I mean, it's probably a mess regarding pixels, right? But could work, I mean, I guess it would work. It could work. Then we save this as a different file, right? We save as grid test 2, whatever. Then we save this into downloads again. Then maybe we can fix this. We go back to Photoshop. And that was the original one. That's the grid. These are all the previous one we have. Then we open the last one we made. Open this these fields here. That probably needs to be scaled by. How was that? Probably 20%, right? Let me check. Because we can bring this here. We can bring these things here. How much is the scale? How much scaling is required? So you understand the scaling, then the problem, right? Oh my goodness. Black? Very bad black, okay. Very bad black. So this is at least still in perspective. Not exactly full perspective, but oh, look at this. Oh, because there is a small selection, you know, and then. So what should be 20? 20%? Nearest labor? Okay. What's this 20%? 20 is too small. 20 is too small. So what it is 33? 33 should be do it, right? 33 is probably the correct size. So let's see. Let me see. So this is probably do. Is this buyable? I mean, I don't know. Is this buyable? Probably seems like it's still in the grid here. And how would it look against the wall? Probably not ultra correct, right? Probably not ultra correct, but I mean, it can work, I guess. Oh, it can work actually. Oh, these things can work. Okay. Okay, can work. Good. Good. It's not super pixel perfect, but it's good enough to work. Okay, so I understand the workflow now. And I think we can fix this. But this is basically 3 multiplied 5. That's quite a huge object. I mean, what if I put Luna here? Let's put Luna here and let's see how small or big is Luna compared to this. We can try to add Luna here and see how she's performing. So let's put Luna. Let's put Luna. We have a Luna here into the codex, I guess, right? Right here, and then into assets, private. No, actually not here. It's inside the game sprites, right? Game sprites, Luna, idle. Yeah, let's use the down left. So we have a clue. And then we drag this here. Right? What is Luna? Where are you, Luna? Oh my goodness, she's probably very, very. Oh, here. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it works, right? I mean, seems quite good. I mean, why not? Why not? I mean, yes. 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 I mean, why not? I mean, seriously. Yes, can work, right? Can absolutely work. Okay, so I think we fixed the asset problem here. We sort of fixed the asset problem here, which is very good thing to know. And oh, look at this. Look at this, right? I mean, yes. Surely. I mean, surely. Right? Oh, look at this. Yeah, it can absolutely work. 100%, yes. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. So today we fixed it. We fixed that. Don't worry, products. Don't worry, products. Don't worry. We fixed the perspective. We found a way to fix the perspective. And now basically we're cooking 700. Nekofi, welcome back. Well, I mean, why shouldn't I be nice to you? I mean, tell. I mean, it makes no sense. I mean, obviously I'm nice with you. I mean, you're spending a lot of time with me on my stream, and I mean, and why should I be harsh with you? I mean, it's the opposite. I mean, I'm very thankful for you being here, even if you just lurk. I mean, even if you just lurk, I'm very thankful. So by the way, Nekofi, we are making assets for the game. I mean, and we're doing very good. We're doing very good. I mean, we are doing very, very good. This is probably going to be a very, 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 very nice. Let me show you what we have been cooking. I mean, let me show you what we have been cooking. I mean, what is Chappy doing, by the way? Let me check Chappy. What is Chappy doing here? I think we can close this. Okay, they are doing is doing still perfect, is still cooking. So let me show you at which point we are. So we are basically cooking. We have cooked all this object. We're cooking all this object that we will eventually use in the game. So not everything is ready now, but I mean, we have plenty of objects that we plan to use. So, oh, that's sort of nice, whatever that is. Oh, look at the sofa. Oh, goodness, my goodness, that's very nice. Oh, that's for the walls. Very nice. A portal? Jesus, the portal seems good. I mean, seems very nice. Yeah. Yeah, I'm always on the grind. Yes, obviously, I'm always on the grind. I mean, we're building assets for the game I am making. So look at this. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Right? I mean, very, very nice. I mean, I guess. So, absolutely. So, oh, another mini golden oven that makes stuff. Look at this. Look at these things here. Oh, wow, 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 wow. A big red button. Oh my goodness. I can already foresee the use for this stuff. So yeah. We're making a lot of assets that will probably need. Oh my god, a croissant button. Oh Jesus, that's lovely. So yeah. We're building a lot of stuff that we'll probably use for the game. So yeah, a lot of them. A lot of them. So yeah. Yeah, lot of them. So lot of assets for the game. So and we were also studying how to actually, clean them up so they look very nice. And some other things. So yeah, always cooking, always cooking, Megofi, always cooking. I really hope that when the game will be ready, I really want to make it very nice. Probably the very first version will be super barebone, but slowly, piece by piece. Maybe over the course of a year. Yeah, it would be something very nice. I can already foresee, by mid-July, or maybe a little bit more, maybe end of July, we have already a very first prototype that is working. That would be very, very nice, right? That would be very, 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 very nice. So that would be absolutely lovely. So absolutely lovely. So and I'm really enjoying this because I making my own game. I mean it's it's a lot of fun. It's really a lot of fun. So cause you can play a lot of game made by other people, and they are good, right? But yours, the one that you make yourself, well, that's a different story, right? That's a different story, cause your game is obviously going to be I don't want to say better, cause that's not the point of make better, but will excite you more. Cause you made it yourself, so obviously, I'm really looking forward to make it become a reality. Yeah, so we will see. We will see. Probably take some time, but I will do it. So I will absolutely do it. So and oh, that's super sad. That's super sad. That is super sad to hear, Protox. That's super sad to hear. I mean, I mean, that's why today, nowadays, we have uh the cloud, right? The cloud. So it's very good, no? That so you don't have to you don't have to worry about this anymore, because you have the cloud, and you can put the stuff on the cloud. So I think it's I can make it work. Yeah, I think I will be able to make it work, Megofi. Yes, I think the same. Yes, I think the same. It just takes time. Because it's probably, yeah, it's probably going to take time, but I'm pretty sure I can make it work. Yeah. But yeah, but back on what Products was saying, absolutely. The the fact of losing your data, is very scary. It's very, very scary. And I'm so happy that there is the cloud now, because you can put all your data in the cloud, and forget about it. Because it's on the cloud. And that things alone, makes me really, really at ease. Because you really don't have to worry. Because all your data is there on the cloud. Cool. Problem solved. But yeah, I imagine that how painful it is to lose important data. I can absolutely imagine how painful it is. Oh, you don't use the cloud. Okay, I see. I see. I see. Well, I mean, the fact of the cloud is that it's automatic. You don't have to think about it anymore. No, I mean, it's just you tell the cloud which folder, and then boom, everything is synchronized. But yeah, I understand. I mean, I remember because I mean, my dad is a designer, and he used to have this. I think it's called a NAS. It was a mini server. It was a mini server that we had at home, and you can hot swap hard disks from it. It was this like black box. It was very noisy. It was very noisy. And I'm not saying, I mean, I'm not saying cloud like the AI. I was telling the cloud like, I mean, selling data in the cloud. So I was talking to cloud as yeah, I mean, as a way to upload your data in the cloud, not as cloud as AI. But anyway, so my dad used to have this NAS, which is this is a mini server basically, and it has basically I think it's called data redundancy. So it basically, I mean, if one of these broke, I mean, it was still safe because the data were saved on two hard disks at the same time. And you cannot swap them and replace them, I mean, but it was very noisy. Because, I mean, it's like imagine you have this fucking small server turned on 24/7 at home, which, just permanently open, turned on. I mean, and, yeah, exactly, right level, exactly, it was right level, exactly, it was something like that, exactly. And I mean, don't get me wrong, I mean, you had it there, but it's fucking noisy. I mean, and that's, I think, the reason that later my dad renounced to it, because it said, I mean, because I remember he was saying that at the beginning, storing data in the cloud was really expensive. And I mean, he had terabytes of data, because I mean, he's a designer, he has, pictures from his clients. Pictures from his clients, I mean, videos from his clients, I mean, all this stuff that are very, very early. And he said that at the beginning it was impossible, but now, I mean, the advantage is that he doesn't need to have these fucking things at home that make noise. And I mean, it's and it also need maintenance, because I remember that sometimes, I mean, he went there with the spray, the air spray. I mean, they sell this can, and you press and it shoots air, compressed air. So use that for cleaning. So I remember he opening it, I mean, clean the fucking hard drives because the dust goes there. And I mean, and you have to clear the ventilation, I mean, everything, and then, I mean, put it back together, I mean, and they said, well, I mean, cloud now, I mean, the cloud, I mean, you can save the stuff on the net, and I mean, forget about it, and it's way easier, you don't have to worry, you don't have to keep these things at home, and he was telling me that it actually didn't change much regarding pricing nowadays, because said in the past, I mean, also having a RAID like this at home was very expensive, and it also needed maintenance. And I mean, even hard disks, even if you buy very good hard disk, I mean, you still have to replace them, because hard disk, I mean, they are subject to data failures, you want to expand them, and etc. But instead, said with the cloud, I mean, it's actually even cheaper and safer, because I mean, you just have all your stuff there, and I mean, I don't know, honestly, but I mean, yeah, I guess it could be a thing, right? It could be a thing, but yeah, I mean, I remember my dad having these local things with all this data. I mean, it's yeah, but I was really always fascinated by this technology. I mean, while my sister, she's more into piano and this sort of things. I mean, I was really a nerd for all these sort of technologies and such. I mean, because it was really how can I say? Yeah, fascinating. Yeah, fascinating is probably the best things to say, because there was all these weird machines. I mean, pen tablet, or the monitors, or this fucking NAS, or whatever, or all these computers, cables. I mean, they were. And then, I mean, and then that making art or design out of it, I mean, was very fascinating. And I mean, yeah. Yeah, so I think I took a lot from it. Because I really enjoy this sort of things, because it's like, I mean, it's like you're a small alchemist, and your computer is your pot, and you stir ingredients in the pot of your computer, and boom, I mean, you make stuff. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Because you make stuff, and but also my sister is into making stuff because she makes music. But I mean, but yeah, I mean, the creative works, and I mean, I I still can wrap my head about the fact that, I mean, people is still so scary to use AI, I mean, in creative works. I mean, I can't wrap my head around. Everyone's scared. A lot of people scared. I mean, this is not art. And this will steal my fucking job. I mean, all these things. I mean, I watched yesterday a beautiful video. I mean, and it was explaining how was the first reaction to photography when photography was invented. And when photography was invented, I mean, painters, they were scared as fuck. They were scared as fuck because realistic painting was, I mean, many painters, they made a living with realistic paintings. Like, cause I mean, I want the portrait of myself, cause and the only way to get a portrait of yourself was to have a painting before photography was invented. And then came photography, right? And I mean, painters were so fucking upset. Oh, this thing is the devil incarnate. I mean, this thing here, photography. And by the way, I mean, do you know that? I mean, actually, I mean, famous painter were using, I mean, camera oscura, which is the techniques used in old photographic machines for paintings. I mean, and if you think about this, it's incredibly funny. I mean, they were using a very similar technology, but when that technology didn't require their fucking hands anymore, they were fucking scared. But they were using the same fucking technology. I mean, Jesus, I can't even think about it. Anyway, I think today we end a little bit early. Because later I have this seminar with YouTube. I think I told about that earlier. I have a seminar with YouTube. It's an online seminar for artists. Because I am an official artist. I mean, you won't believe it at the end. Because the channel has the musical badge, so I have access to exclusive. Oh, let me brag. Let me brag a little bit. I have access to exclusive seminars from YouTube, so then I'm going to attend a web seminar made by YouTube itself for artists. So, wow, wish me luck. I mean, I hope Senpai will notice me. Senpai YouTube will notice me, so this is what I'm going to do. And I need some time to prepare myself, so we end the stream here. And thank you very much for watching. Okay, see you tomorrow. じゃあ今日ここまでですね。ありがとうございました。おつみでした。バイバイ。Thanks everyone. Bye bye.